Welcome.
You my host here?
Yes.
Happy to meet you. Your name?
Simon.
Simon. My name's a bit more complex.
Okay. And my wife Mary is behind you.
Oh, no. Simon and Mary.
Yes. English name.
Sounds like something out of the New Testament.
Yes. Martha and Mary. This is my Mary. Very strong.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
May you enjoy your stay.
Hare Krishna. Oh. There's flowers in there already? So why don't I
Oh, thank you so much.
You have a nice, so many nice flowers. You're keeping this garden.
Yes, and
You maintaining yourself?
Yes, yes. And we have more gardens, so you'll be able to see
Oh
it.
yeah, nice.
Yes, that's the garden. It's called the poet's wife.
Poet's wife.
I suspect it doesn't
Yes.
have much sense. Is that right?
Yes.
Has a nice scent.
It has.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well we'll offer it to Krishna.
I haven't got a knife.
Mm.
Would you like us to cut you some for your?
Well, we can offer to Krishna, right?
Yes.
We can take maybe one every day.
Yes,
If that's
please,
all right.
please. Yes, we'd be very happy for you. Yes, take.
Roses. These are how much? 5 times bigger than the ones we get in India.
Yeah,
And we only get red ones in India.
yeah, red and pink ones.
Pink,
sometimes.
yeah,
Pink.
red and pink. And the scent is all much better. So many. Is this native to Britain? This?
I don't know what it is,
I don't know
but
what
birds,
it is.
it's good for the birds. They're
They
eating
like
all
the-
the seeds,
They like
the
the
berries.
seeds,
Yeah.
I don't think that's a typical English tree.
No, I don't think it. No.
Probably,
And the one
summer.
thing is, we've got a lot of trees in this garden.
yeah.
It's beautiful. When you wake up in the morning, you can see the trees, and the birds wake
The
you up.
birds
at
love the
about
trees,
3:30,
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. The dawn chorus wakes you up.
Well, that's a very pleasant way to wake up, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Some traffic, but that's all.
Yeah, well, that won't be there at
Traffic everywhere.
3:30.
No.
You wake up at 3:30?
Well, the birds wake me up.
Oh, that's good. I usually get up at 3:30, so
Lovely.
a bit earlier this morning, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And this is meant for birds to eat off, is it? Is it put like that?
No, it's just
Or something?
we lost the tree. The tree died, but
Oh, I see.
we have
And there's
a little fairy.
there's a
little
metal
saint there.
cherub, looks like, reading his Bible.
Yes, reading the Bible.
Wait a minute, they don't read the Bible in heaven.
No.
They're already there, right? You don't need to read it anymore.
I don't know. It's just a nice. And then when the tree first died, lots of fungus came, lots of life. But the tree, of course, became dangerous, so it had to be cut down. But it was a prunus tree, had lovely red leaves.